The purpose of this video is to demonstrate how to use the PLC documents collection form. To do this, you'll type in the address bit.ly/plcdoc2021, which will bring you to this Google form. So this form is for PLC leads to complete to submit their norms and working agreements document, their agendas and minutes document, and the student work and data analysis summary page that will then be added to the PLC tool. So you'll start with just selecting your site and then select your PLC subject. If your PLC is not listed here, you can select other and type it in. And then this is where you'll start with the first document, your norms and working agreements. So if you already have a norms and working agreements document that your PLC made, you can copy that shared link into this answer right here. If you do not already have a norms and working agreements document, if you click on this bit.ly link right here, norms-WA, it will open a new tab that will give you a copy of a template for norms and working agreements. And then you can rename this copy for your PLC. And then you'll want to make sure that you share with anyone in the district so that these can be added to the PLC tool website and seen by everyone in the district. So automatically it will be restricted, and you will need to click share with Salinas UHS, Salinas Union High School District there. Okay. And now everybody who is in the district can view the document, which is what you want, and then you'll click done. Actually, before you click done, you will copy link. And then that is the link that you will put into this answer. And then you'll do the same thing for your agenda and minutes and your student work analysis. So again, if you already have a copy of an agenda and minutes that your PLC uses, you can just make sure you have that shared setting correct so that everyone in Salinas UHSD can view, and then copy and paste that link into here. If you do not, you can click on this link and it will give you a copy of a template. You rename it and again, change the share settings. So again, change the share settings to shared with everyone in the district. Copy link. And paste that. Control V is the shortcut for paste. Paste that into this answer, and then you'll do one last document, which is your student work and data analysis summary page. And again, if you already have a document, paste it into there. If not, go through the same process for copying this template and then pasting the link into there. Then you click submit and you're done. Please make sure that your documents are shared so that we can get them onto the PLC tool website. Thank you so much. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact your site edtech or email Jennifer Rogers or Brianna Gann, and we'll be happy to help.